Bashir, you've got a really striking look. You've got two completely different colours of skin and hair as well. So how long have you had that? Were you born like it?
Yeah, all my life. So that's what I've known.
So across your body, you've got areas, and obviously we can see on your face, you've got areas of quite pale skin, and then dark skin as well. And we look at your arm there. Yeah, so you've got a real mixture.
Yeah.
So we can actually have a look and see how much skin pigment you've got in different areas. So we can use this instrument here. So yeah, I'll have a look at the back of your hand there. And there we go. So that says you've got 70% skin pigment on that area. Let's have a look at areas of your skin that are pale then. Can I try it on that area there?
Yeah.
If I just pop it on there, it should just work. Yeah, so look at the difference there. That's astonishing. So where you've got pale skin, there's only, what, about 9% pigment. So really, really big difference. So Bashir, I've got slides here of pale skin, rather like the pale areas you've got, and then dark skin as well. And you can see that they're very different when you first look at them.
Yeah.
And this difference is all to do with the skin pigment melanin. And there are very few granules of melanin in this skin, but you can see in this section here all of those cells completely packed full of lots and lots of melanin granules. I'm going to try on me as well.
Go on.
Want to see what I've got. There's a little bit of melanin there.
19.
19.
There you are.
Which is my hand though, so that is exposed to the sun quite a bit.
That's all right.
So do you notice any difference between your dark skin and your
What,
lighter
as in, like,
skin?
Naturally?
When you're exposed to the sun, do you
Do I
notice
see any difference?
there?
No,
Yeah.
I don't feel a difference. I don't notice a difference. I just walk the walk and talk the talk.
Yeah.
I would like, say, put a little sunscreen if it was very, very, very sunny. So
it's interesting because the difference in pigment and the kind of pigment that's there to begin with anyway gives us a clue as to why we've got this colour in our skin.
Yeah.
And it is to do with sun protection. So in fact, your dark skin is giving you some pretty significant sun protection here. And Bashir's dark skin is coming out as about factor 20 sunscreen.
Naturally.
So you've got your own natural sunscreen
perfect.
there.
Lovely.
And if you have got very pale skin, of course, you have to put sunscreen on if you go out into bright sunshine because you could burn your skin. And every single episode of sunburn means that you have a higher risk of developing skin cancer. That's the seriousness of it later on. Bashir, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.